If you guys could all go to my page and like that pinned post, that would mean so much to me. We're so close to 400. I'm so proud of you guys. We are gonna hopefully be on the leaderboard now. And even if we don't win the competition, we're gonna be up there. So thank you guys so much. Thank you all so much. And if I would have known about this one sooner, then I wouldn't even be struggling as bad. I would probably be higher up on the leaderboard. But this one ends. I found out about it yesterday, and it ended 24 hours after I started it yesterday. So I'm like, we're on a time crunch. Let's get on that leaderboard. Let's do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna be the best that we can be.
En vivo y en español.
It makes me sad because 4,000 people have viewed it, but not 4,000 people have liked it, which is sad. Oh, I forgot. I didn't do this part of the hallway. That's okay. I'll do it in a little bit. Let me make sure this bathroom is still looking clean, because I just cleaned it yesterday. Like, scrub the shit out of it. Okay. We're just gonna do our maintenance, which is I like to put a little bit of this into the kitty litter box. Once we hit 500 likes on that video. Oh, thank you, Alex. Alex, will you go? Oh, and thank you, Craig. Thank you for going and liking the video. Alex, go and like my video that I posted. It's the pinned videos. You guys are amazing. I said you couldn't even be in there, but I was letting you stay in there because you're being peaceful. Everybody hit that like button, hit that follow button.
Summer style.
Martin Decker, can you please, pretty please, go to my profile and hit the like button on the pinned video that says you're too pretty. Hi, baby.
Look, you became a vet because you love helping animals. Let us help you find the joy in your work so you can focus on doing what you do best.
I'm about to start working out. I'm actually just going to pick out some outfits for them for when we go outside to go swimming. I think I'm just going to put these shorts on my girl and then let them swim in what they're already in. Come here, Millie. Let's put these shorts on you.
Watch it.
This is for when we go swimming.
Everything changes. You know, one day you're a cat. Just take a little taste with Daddy. Come on, sweetheart. Or a king.
Okay.
Next day you just vanishes in.
We're going to go swimming.
She says she has.
Between 2 weeks and 5 minutes.
This comment of the year. You know, the thing is, it's the only race that I'm like, I've never slept with an Asian before. So I've dated an Indian. I never slept with him though. I was just not into it. Likes on that post? No way. Are you serious, Craig? Be real with me. Are we really at 500 likes on that post right now? If we are, I'm gonna sit here and cry. Like, I'm gonna trust you, so you need to be honest, because I'm gonna trust you, and if you break that trust, I ain't never gonna trust you again. So you better, yeah, my eyes, Big Mike, are 2 different colors. And Big Mike, if you have not yet, you need to go over to my profile and like my 2 pinned posts. Pretty please. Please. Martin Decker, see, I knew it wasn't at 500, we're at 405. Thank you, Big Mike. Thank you, everybody. What kind of dog do you have? Do you have a Yorkie, or not Yorkie, a Pit Bull or a Husky? That's what I was gonna say, a Husky. Yorkies actually do also sometimes have 2 different colored eyes, so. What kind of dog do you have, Nick? Or Rick? It was Rick. There was a Nick and a Rick. And a Mike. Oh, Pomeranian, that is rare. That is so cool that your Pomeranian has 2 different colored eyes. Like, that's actually really rare. Guys, you guys need to
ايوه كده. الراقي مفيش منك 2 يس. خليك انت معايا في صفي عشان لو نزلت قدام حد تدعوكي. مش عايزين نخسر. خالصة ولا ممكن اخسر؟